these are my goals for 2026. Save and move out and get my own place for me and my baby. I did not know that these were gonna be this big. Can you move? All right, my girl had to go. I had to take her out to my room because I was not gonna be able to get this done. She just want to touch everything. Love her dearly, but you gotta go right now. I gotta finish this. We're gonna make this work. Only one picture is gonna be left out because that is really huge. Well, actually two, because I don't know if I'm gonna put this up there. We're gonna see. I'm so proud of myself, y'all. It is, what's today? The 18th. It's the 18th, and I've uploaded every single day. The last few have been up late because now I'm to the point where I'm uploading the same day, so I don't have anything pre-recorded. But I'm very proud of myself. I'm doing this while also having a 10 to a 7-month-old. It was so hard last night. She would not stop crying while I was editing. I know she felt that I was doing something, and she just started crying, and she would not stop. And it was so frustrating, but I pushed through. I got the video up before 12. Today has been good though. The only reason she's not in here is because I wasn't gonna be able to lay this down without her touching stuff. But she's been good today. And excuse my appearance. She done stained up my shirt right here. My hair needs to be washed. I really look a mess. I had to go outside, so that's why I got these earrings on. I had to go to the store. But yeah, your girl needs a self-care day. But we in grind mode right now, so that's really not important, if I'm being honest. Okay, let me see. Here is the finished vision board. If you've been here, then you know I've been talking about paying my car off for the longest. I have my car fully paid off January 2027, but I want to pay it off early so that that'll be one less bill I have to worry about when it is time for me to move. So I want to have my car paid off in 2026 for sure. Of course, we got money up here. I'm gonna be very real with y'all. I went into 2025 with no money, but this year is very different. I did 3 brand deals this month in December, and then last month I did 1, and then a month before that I did 1. So I am so happy that my hard work and everything that I've been praying for is starting to flow in, and I'm starting to make money doing what I really enjoy doing, which is filming content and sharing a little bit of my life and stuff. I really want to continue being consistent and just doing what I love and getting noticed by brands loving my content, seeing value in me, seeing that I'm worth it, and wanting to pay me. So this is actually one of the payments I received from one of the brands, so I'll put that up there because I want to receive more brand deals, but I want that amount to increase. Okay, I want that to increase to thousands, because that's what's gonna pay the bills. Okay, I have this picture up here for family. I really desire having my family together, so I have that up there. I really want a loving, happy family. And then this one here is in the center because this is very important. These past few months have been so frustrating. Just, it's a bunch of reasons, but more so because I cannot live in this room no more. I have outgrown this whole house, but definitely this room. It is cluttered, it's a mess. And I'm not even gonna go into everything else, but it's a bunch of other reasons. But I'm really ready to move, and I'm sad because I want to move out of state, but I'm sad because I've become really close with Z's dad side, and I don't want to leave them. Like, I enjoy having them in my life and spending time with them. So once I move, you know, I won't be able to see them every week, but I don't want to stay here. But I think that I am going to move out of state. I'm not going to get an apartment here unless I really have to. It'll be somewhere close, and then once my money is really, really good, then I am going to move further out. It says, point of view, you move to a whole new state to start life over. And then this one says, point of view, you just got the keys to your new apartment. And then this one is basically about engagement. I've actually received a good amount of comments, and I definitely receive a lot of likes and stuff, but I want comments on every video. I want engagement on every video, especially my long form videos. My shorts are good, but I want my long form videos to reach more people and really build a community. And then I just have some quotes. I'm already in the works of everything. Like, I already have brand deals and stuff coming in. I'm already growing on YouTube and stuff. So I really just want to continue growing and making more money so that I can save and move out and get my own place for me and my baby, so we can have a place of our own and just be at peace.